CD1. 1.1.
Hello, I'm Mara.
Hello, I'm Leo.
Hello, I'm Nari.
1.2. What's your name?
Hello, I'm Serena. What's your name?
My name's Tom.
Hello, Tom.
1.3. This is...
Tom, this is Carlos. Carlos, this is Tom.
Hello, Carlos.
Hello, Tom.
1.4. Nice to meet you.
Hello, my name's Paul Bartosz.
Hello, I'm Sarah Taylor. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
1.5. How are you? 1.
Hi, Dinos. How are you?
Fine, thanks, Arthur. And you?
I'm okay, thanks.
2.
Hello, May. How are you? Very well, thank you. How are you? Fine.
1.6. Everyday English. 1.
Good morning. Good morning. What a lovely day.
2.
Good afternoon.
Hello. A cup of tea, please.
3.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Bye. See you later, Mum.
4.
Good night. Sleep well.
Night-night, Daddy.
1.7. 1.
Good morning. How are you today?
Fine, thanks. And you?
2.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Coffee, please.
Sugar?
Yes, please.
3.
Goodbye. Have a nice day.
Thank you, and you. See you later.
4.
Good night. Sleep well.
Thank you. And you.
1.8. What's this in English? 1.
A book.
2.
A phone.
3.
A photo.
4.
A bike.
5.
A sandwich.
6.
A house.
7.
A laptop.
8.
A bag.
9.
A watch.
10.
A bus.
11.
An apple.
12.
An umbrella.
1.9.
What's this in English?
It's a photo.
1.10. Numbers 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
1.11. Plurals. 1.
5 books.
2.
3 bikes.
3.
8 houses.
4.
6 umbrellas.
5.
9 photos.
6.
4 laptops.
7.
7 watches.
8.
10 apples.
9,
2 sandwiches.
1.12 Pronunciation.
S. Books. Bikes. Laptops. Z. Apples. Bags. Phones. Photos. Umbrellas. Is. Buses. Houses. Watches. Sandwiches.